Good morning, everyone. Today is the 18th. Yesterday, we talked about what caused World War One. Now we're going to jump into the war itself and look at a couple of different pieces of technology because for the first time, we have what are truly called weapons of mass destruction. And they're not on the same scale that they are today, but at this time, many of the weapons that were new to World War One were capable of killing large numbers of people, unfortunately. So I'm not going to click on this because you guys know how to do Edpuzzles. But this is going to be technology. Technology, in this case, we're not talking about computers and things like that, not yet. But we're talking about different types of weaponry. And this is going to give you an overview of what some of those were. Then this one is specifically going to look at Zeppelins, which are dirigibles. They look like long hot air balloon type things. The Hindenburg was a Zeppelin, if that's in any way familiar to you. Okay, so you're going to go in and look at Zeppelins and how they were used because this is a flying craft. For the first time, flying craft are going to be used in World War One, and this is kind of ahead of airplanes. And then you're going to look at a terrible weapon, chlorine gas, and the use of gas masks to try to avoid it. This is going to be a very controversial weapon once the war is over with. Both sides are going to use it, but because you can't control where a gas goes, once it's dropped on a battlefield, a cloud may very easily move it over a village and kill very innocent people. And innocent people and civilians do get killed in wars. Lots of them do. But this was just so out of control and so horrible that it was deemed a type of weapon that cannot be used during war anymore. And sometimes countries since then have gotten in trouble for using these anyway. So you're going to go through those, and then you're going to take a quick exit ticket quiz on just these items right here, these different types of technology. So make sure that you have looked at those and you'll have the correct quiz for you. And then as a funny, because we're getting close to Halloween, if you've ever watched It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown, there is an episode or a section of it that has Snoopy, the dog, the beagle, on his doghouse flying. And it's talking about being in France during the war, and he is having a airplane fight with the Red Baron, and the Red Baron was a real person. So I thought you might get a chuckle out of watching Snoopy and the Red Baron today. So have a great day.